In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Calendly. Whether you're updating to a new email for better communication or transitioning to a different account, it's important to ensure your login credentials and notifications stay up to date. Calendly, a fantastic scheduling tool, makes this process simple, and I'll guide you step by step so you can make the change with confidence. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser on your computer or mobile device and head to the Calendly website by typing www.calendly.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This is the quickest and most direct way to access the platform without any distractions from search results. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login screen where you can access your Calendly account. Now, you'll need to sign in. Depending on how your account is set up, you have a few options here. If you've already linked your Calendly account to Google or Microsoft, you can simply click on the corresponding button to log in using those credentials. Alternatively, if you've created your account with an email address and password, you can type those in manually. Make sure to double-check for typos before hitting the login button. Once you're successfully signed in, look again to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. This is usually represented by your photo or initials. Click on the icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to the Profile Settings page, where you can manage your account details. On the Profile page, look for a section called Login Preferences. This is where you can update your email address. Click on it to open the settings related to your login credentials. Now, you'll see an option called Change Email. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a field to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email address you'd like to use for your account. This step is very important because your email address is how Calendly communicates with you and is also your main login credential. Be sure to double-check for any typos or errors before proceeding. A small mistake here could cause issues down the road. After entering your new email address, Calendly may prompt you to complete an additional verification step. This is to ensure that the email address you've entered is valid and belongs to you. Check the inbox of the email address you just entered for a verification email. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it may take a few minutes to arrive. Also, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it ended up there. Once you locate the email, click on the verification link provided. This step is essential to activate your new email address. After completing the verification process, return to your Calendly account and confirm that the change was successful. You should see your updated email address reflected in the Login Preferences section. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address in Calendly. Keeping your account information current is key to ensuring smooth communication and uninterrupted access to your scheduling tools. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.